Hello, sound check. Hello. Magulo yung mga ka-jumits ko eh. So, susulayin ko dito. At ako na to sa Star Maker. Hindi ko siya masing kapal eh. Ten. Kinanta ko to sa samplista off-cam sa showtime ako yung pinakamagaling daw mag-sample. Sabi dun. What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world's addicted to the drama. Only attracted to things that will bring you trauma. Overseas, yeah, we're trying to stop terrorism, but we still get terrorists living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you only have love for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate, yeah. Madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love just to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all. Children hurt and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? And would you turn the other cheek? Father, help us and guide us from above. 'Cause people got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? It just ain't the same, all days have changed. New days are strange, is the world insane? If love and peace is strong, why are there pieces of love that don't belong? Nations dropping bombs, chemical gases spilling down of little ones, with ongoing suffering as the youth die young. So ask yourself, is the love really gone? So I can ask myself, really what is going wrong? With this world that we're living in, people keep on giving in, making wrong decisions or divisions of the deep, respecting how war is going on, but the visions undercover. The truth is kept secret and swept under the rug. If you never know truth, then you never know love. Where's the love, yo? Come on, I don't really know. Where's the truth, yo? Come on, I don't really know. And where's the love, yo? Children hurt and you... meron na pa ng oras eh. Ilan pa ng oras? Maya na uli ako kaya. Apat sila, ilan ba yung Black Eyed Peas? O, di ba sila eh? Tama ka, madam people. Kaya mo na sa chorus. On my shoulder as I'm getting older, yeah, people get colder. But most of us only care about money making. Selfishness guide us following the wrong direction. Wrong information all shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria, affecting the young minds faster than bacteria. Kids wanna act like what they see in the cinema. Yo, whatever happened to the values of humanity? Yeah, whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Yeah, instead of spreading love, spreading animosity. Lack of understanding din yung sa ano? Oh, all this time di kinanta ko sa ano yun? Samplista ng off-cam ibang araw. All this time is part invention. Kaya dahil sa akin simula nung tinanong nila kung anong banda rin kinanta ko, kaya dahil talaga sa akin kung bakit inaano yung 6-part invention. Kung bakit sila pinapasikat dahil din sa akin. So natubulong ako sa 6-part. Cause people got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the... Si Ferdy yung nanalo ko sa Black Eyed Peas nga yung sinarado niya yung band, wala naman nagkakagulo sa kanya. Effective upper day up yun eh. Nanalo ko sa PlayStation 105.9 sa eSport Division Ganyanap. Tapos yung sinarado yung band, wala naman magkakagulo sa kanya.